Most civilizations do not collapse because they become weak. They collapse because they stop adapting. And the strange part is, this usually happens during periods of wealth and success.
The Spanish Empire once controlled enormous parts of the world. Its gold and silver flowed into Spain continuously. Success created enormous confidence inside the system. People assumed the system would continue working forever. That assumption changed how the empire behaved.
Adaptation usually comes from pressure. When pressure disappears, systems often become psychologically rigid. That rigidity becomes invisible to the people living inside it.
Spanish industries became weaker over time. Imported wealth replaced domestic innovation. Large parts of the economy depended on colonial extraction. Comfort reduced the urgency to change existing systems. The empire preserved status instead of improving capability. Other European powers adapted faster.
This is one of the most dangerous psychological shifts inside successful systems. People stop asking whether the system still works. They only ask whether the system still feels familiar.
The empire relied heavily on old structures. Rigid institutions struggled to respond to new realities. Certainty made experimentation feel unnecessary. The system protected stability more than adaptability. This pattern appears repeatedly across history. Success often weakens the behaviors that created it. Systems built during hardship behave differently from systems built during abundance. Adaptation requires discomfort. Comfort encourages preservation instead. Eventually, the empire struggled to compete with faster-moving rivals. The system remained wealthy in appearance, but internally it had lost responsiveness. The danger was not visible collapse. The danger was psychological rigidity.
Humans adapt quickly during instability, but long periods of success often make people resistant to change. And that resistance can quietly reshape entire civilizations.